Hello everyone. Last Saturday was this lovely young lady M's birthday. She was sent into this world first, Cambodia to be more specific, then to South Korea, to M2 ministry that I served before, and again to this amazing theology institute called RT. I'm sure it was done by the loving and caring hand of God. My husband and I visited this place that night to give a birthday party for M and all other birthday people. It was time for the students to hurry home, but all stayed a bit longer for the party. Thankfully, senior pastor was with us, and his wife suggested that the 3 persons who were baptized that afternoon be blessed with them. What a beautiful idea. So we did. Psalm 133 verses 1 through 3 says, Behold, how good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell in unity. It is like the precious oil on the head, running down on the beard of Aaron, running down on the collar of his robes. It is like the dew of Hermon, which falls on mountains of Zion. For there the Lord has commanded the blessing, life forevermore. I give all thanks to God for the joy and the unity in Christ we enjoyed that night, and I pray that He will shower all who are there with His abundant grace all throughout this new year. Thanks for watching.